pumasok ako sa munisipyo, sakli January 2, 1960.
Ba? Saan
Yun.
pa?
Mamila, pumasok naman siya nung June 1. Doon, yun ang tinatawag na premarital love life. Ay sa maikling panahon mula ng June up to November 28, 1960, ay doon nag-period. Sa yung maikling panahon na almost 6 months na pagtitinginan namin sa isa't isa. Nagkasundo kami na we will just settle down before the civil marriage at the Municipal Justice Office, Municipal Judge Agustin R. Astorga. Yun. Di simula ng November 28, 1960, that was yung marital period or a break period of 5 years. I voluntarily resigned from my position as municipal secretary, and the following year she followed also. She was forced to resign. Our employer was her uncle, the mayor. So we have to venture another stage of life kasi yung umalis kami sa bayan 1965, pumunta kami sa barangay. Parang a narration of untold stories. After 1 year, nakapasok ulit ako sa governor's office as liaison officer, something like that, while they were living with our 3 kids already there. Kasi yung panganay namin si Beth, August 7, 1961. The second one, the following year. Iyon si Mel, yung pangalawa, August 16, following year, 62. And yung bunso namin yan, si Evangeline, yung February 17, 1964. So, dahil sa ng politika, by the year 1965 up to 1967, medyo masalimuot ang buhay namin noon. We were plagued by yung kahirapan sa buhay. And the following year, although I was elected as municipal councilor November 11, 1967, bali 1968, I assumed as municipal councilor about town. But for a brief period of 1 year, nahirapan kami sa pagtira doon sa probinsya. We decided to venture to Manila. That was the first decade of our marriage life was kumbaga sa ano naranasan namin ang the travails and trials of life. Yung pagdating namin dito sa Manila ng December 11, 1968, that was the new chapter of our life. We were confronted by the problem of housing, to tirahan namin. Tapos, I was looking for any kind of employment. Up to 1968, up to 1971, I was able to manage to go back to school because my teaching course was not yet, hindi pa ako tapos ng aking kurso ng pagtuturo. So I went back to school while andyan na sila, yung tatlong anak namin, habang nagtatrabaho, nag-aaral, simultaneous yun. So, yung pangalawang dekada, pagpasok ng 70, that was the second decade of our marriage life. Medyo masalimuot talaga. Doon, I have to work, I have to study. Not until a period of 72 to 76. Ayun, nakapagturo na ako nung June 15, 1976. I was hired as a secondary school teacher since June 15, 1976 sa diretso na period of teaching until June 12, from June 15, 1976 up to June 12, 1999 when I retired as a master teacher. That was already that was the fourth decade. Dekada, yung bang 40 years. Pero 1960 up to 1999, nasa 40 na kami noon, 40 years. So, when I retired, 1999 up to now, the last chapter ng, kumbaga sa we were, kumbaga nagpe-pitching kami up to our 50 years now. That was our completion, itong 10 na ng we were pacing up to our finishing line para kami ng yung mahabang travel.